Today, I'll show you how to animate lines in DaVinci Resolve. Drag your image or video onto the timeline. Click on the Fusion tab. Select Media in 1 in the Node editor. Click on Effects, search for Paint, and double-click to apply it. At the top, select Polyline Stroke. In the preview window, click on several points to create your line. Expand stroke controls in the inspector. Drag the end slider right on to the start position. Click the keyframe button. Move the timeline slider a few seconds ahead. Drag the end slider right on back to its original position. To curve the line, click on a corner joint. Yellow control handles will appear. Drag these handles to adjust the curve.